Just kidding. There's something we need to discuss. Come over. I know you guys saw me with the knife earlier. That was just me trying to defend us in the tech space from a new intruder. And this new intruder is no other than Chat-Gpt. A lot of you might be new to the acronym Chat-Gpt. Chat-Gpt just stands for Chat Generative Pre-Training Transformer. Chat Generative Pre-Training Transformer is an open source AI that was introduced in November 30th, 2022. And since its arrival in the tech space, it has created a kind of unrest. It has led to a lot of misconceptions, and we have a lot of techies in the tech space now thinking that ChatGPT is going to replace them, is going to take away our jobs, is even doing our jobs better than us. But the thing is, it doesn't have to be that way. We can choose to see ChatGPT AI for what it is, a tool, nothing but a tool. ChatGPT AI is a tool that anyone in the tech space can collaborate with, and the applications are numerous. It can enable you to create amazing work that ranges from script writing, YouTube automation, content creation. It can even write your codes for you. You can use it to create mobile apps. You can write codes to create websites. A lot of people feel threatened because of the ability of ChatGPT AI, but it doesn't have to be that way. I'll give you an example. Take, for example, a library. In a library, you have a lot of books. These books, they contain knowledge, they contain a lot of text, they contain a lot of processes and strategies. This knowledge is just there, they are static. But if you had the ability to access every ounce of knowledge in that library, it will actually make you smarter. ChatGPT AI is no other than a library. ChatGPT AI is a tool, and a lot of people are collaborating with it already to create amazing work. So the question is, what's stopping you? I'm just going to be giving you an example of myself as a designer. You know, being a designer, a lot of the times you find it difficult to create content, to create copyright, to merge colors. You find it difficult to create concepts for your design. Even if I'm creating a magazine on a brochure, it allows me to create massive amount of content without stress. All I have to do is just feed it the concept of what I want to design. Then it gives me results. It gives me results based on my input. It gives me output, and we'll get to refine the output. We'll refine the output. I look at it, I go through it, I refine it until I'm totally satisfied with what it gives me. And it saves me a lot of time, other than cracking my head to produce massive amount of content, massive amount of copywriting. It actually limits the time I spend in my design process. And it doesn't matter what stack you are in, even if you are a developer, even if you are a content creator, ChatGPT AI can enable you to create amazing work. All you just have to do is work on your creative process. The AI is not here to replace you. That's a misconception. It's not here to replace you. It's just here to enable you become better. What I advise you to do, I advise you to work on your creative process, to include and collaborate with ChatGPT AI. With that, I believe that you'll be able to make better and more creative work, and you'll be able to put aside the fear that ChatGPT AI is about to replace you, because it is not. It's only here to make you better. You won't be replaced by ChatGPT AI because an AI was created. You will be replaced by ChatGPT AI if you don't work on your creative process. Thank you for viewing this video. If you like the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share, as it will help us to get more viewers to look at this video. Thank you very much. My name is Ezekiel. See you on the next one.